came through as unrecognized on here.
Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Idaho County and Central Idaho until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the public reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter. This storm was located near Red River Hot Springs, or about 43 miles east of Grangeville, and was slowly drifting west at 10 miles per hour. This storm was also produced very heavy rainfall and could result in local flash flood impacts. Locations impacted include Elk City, Fall Creek, Golden, Oregon, Red River Hot Springs, and Dixie. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and hail, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following County, Idaho.